Wow! Aray ko, ano ba ito? Look at that! Eto na po! Wow! Tok Tok! Wow! Silver! Incentive for Tok Tok! Thank you for my Tok Tok Eralista team! I have 2 Tok Tok sales new sale and I have 2 silver new sale. Oh my God, this week! Wow! At pinadahan po nila ako ng aking incentive today. So tara, samahan niyo ako ano-ano ang mga naman ito. Alright, so kailangan ko lang is scissors, of course. Buksan natin. My God! At ang nag-deliver po sa akin ito is Tok Tok din. Yes, because I'm a franchisor and our team is using also Tok Tok delivery services. Ito na! Wow! Wow! Ang dami! Woo! Woo! Look at that! Oh my God! Look at this! Grabe, ang dami! I didn't expect! More to go! G supplement, yes, with glass. Meron din akong Nature's Own Total Gel Toothpaste at tara. Is it a toothpaste? It is a toothpaste. Yes. Kojic. Ang social ng packaging. Ah, sorry. Ay. Ay. Look at that. Ganda. Omni White Soap. Oh my God. Pampaputi. Sana oils.
Sana all.
Nature's Own shampoo. Okay, conditioner and then shampoo. Alright, ang dami. We have green tea as well. Product. Meron din calcium. Calvit Tea by Marian Rivera. Good Leaf. Coffee to, coffee. Coffee to, no? Coffee, yeah. And face mask by Kappa Mask. My God, ang dami. Oh, ang dami guys. Ito. Gilabas na. Ayan, ang dami po. Ay, datahan lang po yun. Ang dami. Ay, kaya pa ba? Ayan, salamat dyan. Ay! Ayan po. Ang dami guys. Ang dami. Thank you so much. Meron pa po doon sa ilalim, no? Ang dami pa. Grabe, ang ganda. I mean, sa mga nanonood po ngayon guys, naku, huwag na kayo magpatumpik-tumpik pa. Legit po talaga itong online business na ito na pinasok. Oh my God. I don't know what to say. I've never received a gift like this before. I mean, even my dad couldn't give me this stuff, right? Guys, huwag na kayo magpatumpik-tumpik. Tara na! Okay, thank you for joining me today. Pinakita ko lang sa inyo kung ano meron. Kapag ikaw is naging franchisor guys, ito patikim pa lang po yan guys and more to go. So please go keep on watching my YouTube channel and you will see the progress and my God, kasi first time po talaga. I mean, I've never had a franchise before but my God, as low as that much, yung sa baba ilalagay ko lang kung magkano yung franchise fee mo. All in na guys. Meron kang sariling mall, meron kang sariling Tok Tok delivery service just like Lala Move and Grab and stuff like that on your own. At maku-pandemic na naman guys, oh, grabe, kumikita ang kabuhayan. So if I were you, if you are watching it right now, please drop your comment below so that we can guide you how to do this online business right just next door. And now, of course, anong ibig sabihin ng incentive, right? It is like a token of appreciation for being, for having business with Tok Tok. And of course, it wouldn't be possible na I will make it and get this stuff for free kung wala yung aking team. Okay? And syempre, hindi ko naman ito lahat magagamit, di ba? So, I am going to share it. Pasok, Josh! Okay, tanggapin mo! Ang! Ano po yung gusto mo? Face mask! Hindi! Pink! Pink! Ay, sorry!
Face mask yan eh.
Wait! There's more! Isa pa! Isa pang kulay!
Blue.
Blue! Yay! Wait! There's more! Of course! Ito kayo na trip mo to eh. Sa'yo na! Yay!
Pampahaba ng buhok.
Okay! O, maganda pagpagatayin natin ito ha. Yan, buksan ko na rin. Okay. Sali. It's a coffee. Okay. I'm going to share. Yan. Oh my God! Ang dami pala nito. Okay. 2, 4, 6, 10. Tanggapin mo 5 pieces! Oh my God! Woo! Okay, next! Pasok! Yan! Yeah!
What's up? Wawawin!
Okay! Pili na! Face mask! Yellow, sir! Ayan! There you go! Okay, wait! There's more! Isa pang cover mask! Green, sir! Yan, ito! Yay! Okay! Siyempre, kayo na, take dito ni ano. Yan, alam po, nature, ewan po ano yan, para kayo. And of course, yung coffee, kasi yung mga kapatid natin na kumagyan pa natin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay! Sabi ko na kumpleto na gano'n, kanina pala nalala ko. Okay, alright, there you have it guys. If you're new to my channel, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button and then the notification bell for more videos and updates.